Welcome. In this video, we're going to set up the code for the obstacle. So right now we've done all of our code and our first sprite. We're going to go to the second sprite, our obstacle. So we can see it looks like it's deleting everything. It's not. It's still going to run all of this code, but we're going to have separate code applied just to the beach ball. So we're going to start with when the game starts, and we want this beach ball to start all the way down here. In fact, I'll start it even just a little bit off screen. So remember, if we go to motion, we want this current location. So if I move the beach ball around, these numbers are going to keep updating. So I'm going to go all the way down here. And then when it's in its start location, I'm going to grab a go to X and Y. So again, no matter where I put the beach ball or where it is when the game ends, when I start the game over, it's going to go to that original position. So now we want the beach ball to glide across the screen. So I'm going to go to glide, but I can't grab it just yet because it's in the same position, 245, negative 133. So I'm going to move it to its end position. I want it to end all the way over here. So we can see our X and Y values have updated, and I'm going to pull this out. So let's test it out. So we can see that this is gliding just once. So we want this to glide over and over and over again. So we're going to grab out of control, and we're going to go to a forever block. I'm going to grab these two inside. Let's put it inside. And now let's test our game again. Sweet. It is now gliding across the screen forever. But we want some object collision to be going on. So we want it when it's hitting the cat that the game stops. So we're going to go to another, when start button is clicked, we're going to start another event. And we're going to say that we want to wait until there's a collision. So we're going to go wait until under events. And we're going to find touching. So for this touching, we're going to put it inside of the wait until. And we're going to hit the drop down. We want it. Oh, that's not what we want. We want sensing maybe? Mouse down. Touching, mouse pointer. Oh, okay. So this is what we want. Yeah, I was right. So touching, see how this says image? We want it until it's touching that image right there. So that's what that object is called, that sprite. It's called image, and that's called image 2. So once it's touching image 2, we are going to stop everything. We're going to stop all the scripts. So let's test it out. I run the game, and once the two objects collide, the game stops. So let's try jumping over. So it looks like it's working. We have some bugs that we have to work out. Before that, we're going to set up the scoring. So we'll do that next video.